Welcome back, guys. The Dividend Star King here with another YouTube video. In today's video, we're talking about would you invest in stocks or save and invest into rental properties. So both ways are pretty good. The rental property is more of a long-term thing. Now, I don't see why you can't do both. Back to my portfolio here. In my personal opinion, you could do both. I mean, you could buy stocks for $20. Stocks don't cost as much as a rental property. You can do both, especially if you can save, cut back some money. Let's say you could have just two account. Well, you can have an account just for a rental property. So say you're a young person, an older person, you want to put some money. You need $5,000, $3,000 down. Most times you get to use a 401k. You can use other forms of savings. You get a loan from the bank and just pay the down payment, maybe $3 or $4 grand. So you can save up $10,000. You can still buy stocks at the same time. After you get your paycheck, you can throw in $30 in the stock market and $100 or something for the rental property. So there's no oh, I gotta do this one thing. You can do both. And you should do both. I mean, you got stocks costing. You look at my stocks here; they don't cost a lot of money. $17, $18, $20. It don't cost a lot of money for that. It don't. So don't think that you have to spend a lot of money to get a stock. You don't. You just don't. Over here, my best stock is like almost $40 now, and I was buying this for $16 and $20 and $25 and $30. So you could do both. You could save money by cutting your expenses. Try to start an online business, which if you need help with that, I have a link below for a course, a 15-day Builder Challenge course. You can check that out if you want to learn how to build an online business the right way. I took the course. I love the course. You can do all of that, and then I wrote a blog post about it as well, so I put the blog post in the description. You want to read about it, but you can start an online business. You can start cutting out things. Start paying people to cut your grass, cut your own grass, or you have Verizon or AT&T. These these big companies. Go to a prepaid company that's half the price. That will save you money. Stop eating out. Stop buying so many clothes. Get some discount clothes. Buy some clothes at a discount store and save a little bit of money. That money could be in two pots. It could be into a real estate pot, into stocks pot. But with the stocks pot, you buy a stock for $22, $15. So it's not a lot of money up front. So there's no need for you to, I gotta do one thing and that's it. No, you could do both if you're interested in doing both. There's nothing wrong with buying some stocks now while you're still trying to invest in real estate. There's no reason why. You can invest. You can start an online business, invest in your business, and you can save money for real estate and invest in the stock market. That's what I'm doing now. You can do all three. And since real estate is not a big part of my business right now, I'm saving up for it. I can focus on my online business to make more income, and dividend paying stocks to make more income. So both of those will work as well. So that's the end of my video. I will do both. Okay, but if I had to pick one, it will be the stocks, because the stocks are less work. As paperwork, you gotta get. You can probably go through a lot of paperwork. You gotta find a property. You gotta find a property. You gotta get the money right. Work with the bank. Work with a mortgage company. Sign paperwork. You gotta what's wrong with the place, fix it up, hire contractors, fix the place up, pay for that if necessary, but you might not fix anything. Then you gotta find renters, you got to do background checks, you gotta sign paperwork, you gotta make sure they pay you. If something happens to the property, you gotta fix it or hire someone to fix it. There's a lot of things going to rent a property. With a stock, all I gotta do is buy the stock, and that's it. I don't want to do nothing else but hit buy on my phone, and that's it. I'm done. I don't got to do nothing else. There's no paperwork to fill out. None of that stuff. It's all done. So, it's less stress. But you should do both though. Real property is a good thing to have anyway for other streams of passive income. You can pass it on to your kids. You can keep it in the family for generations to come. And it's a good wealth building tool. If you buy a house now, and 30 years from now, it's worth 3 times as much money. So yeah, rental property is a really good idea to get into. But with the money right now, you save enough for it. Nothing wrong with that. You could buy a few shares of, you know, Armor REIT for $12 or AGNC for $6. So that's what we're doing. Game for $12. So, you know, I cut out some things to buy some stock too. I cut out playing Xbox. I cut out, you know, Pines when I cut our grass. I started cutting it, and I cut out, you know, I'm not bowling right now. That was $20 a week. So you're in a bowling league. You're not bowling right now. Well, take the same $20 you win the bowling. You could buy your stock. The same $20, and you can still sell for real estate. So that's the end of my video. Please like the video, share the video, and link below the box below for my links below, and for building an online business. And I'm not giving financial advice, so I want to say that too. Also, a blog post of the course down below. You want to read more about it, there's a link to that. So thanks for watching the video, and see you next time.